Welcome to GK at Amosri.
Which country is known as the land of festivals? A. India, B. China, C. Bhutan, D. Nepal. A. India. Because of each day, some kind of celebration held in India than anywhere else in the world. Which is the hottest place in India? A. Bikaner, B. Mungeshpur, C. Churu, D. Rohtak. B. Mungeshpur, as well as it is located in Delhi. The highest recorded temperature is 52.3 degrees Celsius in 2024. After that, Phalodi in Rajasthan is marked as 51 degrees Celsius. The Red Cliff Line is a boundary between which country? A. India and China, B. India and Pakistan, C. India and Afghanistan, D. India and Myanmar. B. India and Pakistan. Furthermore, the Red Cliff Line was drawn on 17th August in 1947. The border between India and Pakistan is about 3,323 km long, as well as 3 Indian states are Rajasthan, Gujarat and Punjab. Then 2 union territories are Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir share their boundary with Pakistan. Which maritime border separates India from Sri Lanka? A. Palak Strait, B. Gulf of Kutch, C. McMahon Line, D. Gulf of Combat. A. Palak Strait. It is a strait between the Tamil Nadu state of India and the Jaffna district of Sri Lanka. What is the country code of Indian mobile number? A. +66, B. +90, C. +88, D. +91. D. +91. As well as the country code +91 was assigned to India by the International Telecommunication Union in 1960s. Which is the longest beach in India? A. Puri Beach, B. Juhu Beach, C. Silver Beach, D. Marina Beach. D. Marina Beach, and it is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, along the Bay of Bengal, and it is nearly 12 kilometers long. And also, Marina Beach is India's longest and world's second longest beach after Praia do Cassino in Brazil. From which river is the name of India derived? A. Indus, B. Ganga, C. Brahmaputra, D. Yamuna. A. Indus, as well as it is also known as Sindhu in Sanskrit, and it is the westernmost Himalayan river in India. Which state is called the land of 5 rivers? A. Sikkim, B. Punjab, C. Assam, D. Tamil Nadu. B. Punjab, as well as the 5 rivers that flows through Punjab are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Which is the coldest place in India? A. Kashmir, B. Gangtok, C. Leh, D. Dras. D. Dras, and it is a town in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir. Then it is also called Gateway of Ladakh, as well as it is the second coldest place in the world after Siberia. How many languages have been recognized by the Constitution of India? A. 15, B. 20, C. 22, D. 25. C. 22 languages have been recognized as the official language of India. The languages are Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Bodo, Santali, Maithili and Dogri. Answer for last video was Lalita Aila Samya Jula. and she became the first woman admitted to the College of Engineering, Gindi in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And also, she graduated with a degree in electrical engineering in 1944. The video is available on iQuod. Which is the most poorest state in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Rajasthan, C. Punjab, D. Bihar. Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box.
Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.